Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another day, another shave, and we've got a good one lined up for you today. If you're new to the channel, please look at some of my other videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll get notified of future uploads. I normally upload twice a week and all subscriptions would be greatly appreciated. Okay, to the regular viewers, welcome back guys. We've got a good shave today. We're going to be shaving with Master Soap Creations, and that there is Orange and Cedarwood. Now this is a sample sent to me from Craig Will. Hi Craig, and thank you. He sent me that, and he sent me a sample just for a minute, then I thought it had all leaked out. He sent me a sample of the after splash as well. In the thumbnail, you've seen this, haven't you? You may think, oh, that's Sterling Piacenza bottle that I just stuck the label on and put it in for aesthetics in the thumbnail. So what I've done is I've got this, and we're going to be lathering that up in my Giles shaving bowl. Love this bowl, absolutely love this bowl. We're going to be lathering up in that. And put that there. And the brush we're going to be using is here. Look, Wild. Can you see the coin? Wild West Brushworks Super Badger. I think it's Super Badger or two-band Badger. The person I bought the handle off put his own knot in, so I bought the brush in its entirety. But it's a different knot to the one it was given. He put his own badger knot in there. So we'll get that soaking in the official John Shaves Super Soak. And oh yeah, the blades, we'll talk about the razor in a minute. The blades that we're going to be using today, here they are, RK blades out of India. I was contacted in the week. I don't know if any other UK wet shavers are. You probably have been, but I got contacted from RK during the week asking about permissions to use video excerpts and so on their official website. So that just gave me a thought, well, I've not used an RK blade for a while. I'll use one now. That's what they look like out of the wrapper. Well, out of the box, not out of the wrapper. Let's take it out of the wrapper. And there it is. It just says on it, RK stainless. That's it. And what can we, oh, we'll balm up with Man Stuff post shave balm. And then now we get to the new boy in the den. Look at this guys. We've got a pearl flexi. Now this is courtesy of Stuart George. Stuart bought this and then I don't think he liked it, and we did a trade. I sent some stuff to him and he sent this up to me, but as I've always said about Stuart, I always get the better end of the deal. He always puts a little extra something in, and this was no exception, so I got a good deal. So thank you Stuart, your kindness, been a good support to the channel. And that's what we're going to be doing. What I thought we would do is I'm going to go, it goes up to 6 this one. I'm going to go 4, 5 and 6, and we'll do the pickups on 6 as well. So there you go, we'll get that RK blade in there, get that in there. So how has everybody been doing? Oh, that's it now. Home now for the weekend, all done and dusted. There you go. Put up what we got at the moment. We've got it on one. Well, you go this, we'll turn that way around. There you go. Can you see that? That's what I like, big dot and big numbers. And we'll put that on number 4, and we'll put that in there. I am going to do a shave where I use that just on the lower setting, just maybe to get a feel for it. As you can see, look, there's quite a bit of growth there. My beard hairs are starting to go grey, so they don't stand out as much. And I think that's it. There was something else I wanted to say, but I can't for the life of me think of what it was. Oh yes, it's Master Soap Creations. The reason behind this is just to say thank you to Fernando, because I believe he's going through hoops to try and conform to British and European standards to get this on sale in the UK. So just show him a bit of support and let him know that we're rooting for you, Fernando. And when it comes out, I'm sure there'll be a queue of people just waiting for it. Pounce and buy it. I think it's coming to shavingtime.co.uk. That's it. Right, let's lather up. I've used Master Soap Creations before, but I've not used this one. Scent strength right on the puck, I'd put it at about a 5. But don't forget, this has been taken out and put in the sample pot, and it's sat in that sample pot for a couple of months, so that may have diminished, but it's 5. Certainly 5 plus. And it's absolutely lovely. The first thing that hits you is a lovely sweet orange scent. And then I have used cedarwood, expensive cedarwood soaps as well, and the cedarwood in it, strength in it, isn't as strong as it is in this. This really is a beautiful rich orange and cedarwood scent. So there you go. Well, how long have I been going now? Well, seconds. And there you go. See, this brush, I think the knot, well, you can't see it now, but I think the knot is set just a little bit too low. But it'll do for now. Maybe in the future I'll look at getting it sorted. I'm looking forward to using the pearl. I'll use it more and more. I've used it in the past. Yeah, it was alright. It was alright. I was half and half. A lot of people were saying it was oh, it was brilliant, the new Rex and this, that and I certainly don't get that from it, but I'm glad for the opportunity to use it and form a better opinion on it. The last one I used was from Mark at Friendship Shaving. It was a pass around, and I got a good crack out of it, but I don't think you can really get the feel of a razor until you've used it at your own leisure a good dozen or so times, and then you can start to form an opinion, can't you? Here we go. Lovely brush handle this. Wild West Brushworks. I've seen some more of their stuff, but with import tax and shipping and so on, it's not really economically viable at the moment. If you know of any UK artisan brush makers that make brushes like that with the coin in, please let me know. I'd be interested in maybe placing an order with one of them. But it's a funny one because I think they're about $40, and then it's $40 or $50 shipping and tax. So what's that, about $80, $90, which is about what, £60, £70. If somebody's making them in the UK, they're not going to make them for that price, are they? Here we go. Blade's all nicely warmed up. We'll see. Yeah, it's took it down. It's taken it down. I do want to give it the benefit of the doubt. I liked it in the last one. I did. I just I mean, I've said it before and I'll say it again. The Rex is a Fender Strat, and this is a Yamaha Strat, isn't it? I mean, they both do the job. They'll both shave you. They'll both have pretty much the same end result. I mean, they're both razors, aren't they? But we all want the Fender Strat, don't we? I say it every time I use this. I shouldn't do. I shouldn't do, because I do like to try and compare them in their own right. But yeah, that's a good first pass. The sink's hemorrhaging water. So how has everybody been doing? You guys over there in the US, just to let you know, we're thinking about you over here, guys. You've been battered by that Hurricane Ida and that weather. It's absolutely horrific. We feel so helpless over here when we see that on the news, because there's nothing we can do, you know. We'll just give our love and our support and our prayers. I just got a big mouthful of soap then when I was saying that. There was something else I wanted to say. Memory's shot, guys. Dad brain, Samantha calls it. Oh yeah, here we go. Sunday is the first Sunday of the month. So you know what that means, don't you? Sunday spotlight. So if there's anything you'd like to see me cover, anything you'd like to see me talk about, leave it in the comments, and if enough of you ask for it, that's what I'll cover. I kind of got something in mind, but I think more people would watch it if it was covering something that they'd thought about. I mean, maybe could just do it as a Q&A this month or something, you know, but please let me know, and I will probably upload that late on Sunday afternoon, and that will be the Sunday spotlight. Oh. So please let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know what you think of the pearl. I think I've done the second one now on number 4, haven't I? Hey ho. It's that dad brain again. Oh. Sometimes I come in what I'm trying to do, guys. I'm trying to purposely slow it down, because sometimes I come in here and I just race through this because I've got so much to do, and that's really not what I want to do. I've slowed things down that much, I forget where I'm up to. But yeah, this soap, guys, very, very slick. Lovely rich creamy lather. Yeah, that's a lovely cedarwood and orange scent. It smells to me, if you live in the UK, or maybe if you can get them abroad, I don't know, but it smells to me like Jaffa cakes. Here we go. Let's get it up. No, we'll go all the way up to 6. You see that? We'll go against the grain on the 6, and we'll do the pickups on 6 as well. Why not? Let's get a nice close shave for the weekend. Oh man, I tell you, I was watching Paul H shaving his garden. He said, "Do you shave in the garden?" Oh man, I nearly commented, "Yeah, Paul, shaved in the garden a couple of weeks ago. It did not go down very well at all." It wasn't my garden. I'm only kidding. No, we haven't got a garden. We've got a first floor apartment here, so we haven't got a garden. But I do mean to try an outdoor shave at some point. I don't think they have to be exclusive to the summer months either. I know it lends itself well, but let's see how we did now. That did okay, guys. It did okay. Ladder mittens, Kim. Look at that. These brushes. Look at all the lather. All that lather. It's absolutely wonderful. So yeah, I know I've said it before, but please click like and subscribe. Oh, hit that notification bell. To be honest, I think you should subscribe anyway. It will come up at some point in your feed when I upload. I mean, I never miss anything of anybody else's channel. I'm going to be honest, I don't think I've hit a notification bell once. But, oh, yeah, please subscribe. Let me know what you thought of today's shave. Let me know if you've used Master Soap Creations, what you think of it. Oh, and that is our shave, guys. Right, let's have a lean in. You ready? Yeah, we did okay. We did okay. Here we go. Cedarwood and orange. My eyes are shot, guys. Absolutely shot. There you go. Oh. Yeah. Wow. Very, very nice. You get them. Yeah, it's the same. You get the hit of orange first and then the cedarwood comes through afterwards. Absolutely wonderful. And then we'll balm up with a bit of man stuff. And that's us done. Look after yourselves, guys. Remember you guys over there if you're affected by that hurricane. We're keeping you in our thoughts and prayers. Wow, that's quite greasy, that. That's probably why I've not used. I've had it in there for a while, but I've never used it. I think I've used it once and it must have been greasy. But yeah. We did okay. We did okay, didn't we? Wonderful. Okay, and that's our shave, guys. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend. Look after yourselves. Let me know in the comments below about Spotlight Sunday, if there's anything you're interested in, or if there's anything you want to know. What you'd like me to cover, or would you like this Q&A? Put your question down there. Let me know what you think of the shave and Master Soap Creations. And I will see you on Wednesday for the midweek shave. Bye.